Alright guys, here she is, man. This is my baby. This is my 1-to-1 tuning 800 block. This is CSS block with Tron pistons and inline pro rods. The rods have that PMAX coating on them. It's running ACL bearings. This is a JE Pro Steel head gasket and 625 head stud. It's supposed to be a really good combination to help not lift the head. This is an OEM Honda oil pump, which is ported by Mike. This is RV6 660 turbo. It's the same turbo I have on the car, but they have that new compressor housing, the anti-surge housing with the was a ported housing. It's the anti-surge housing. So, but I think you gotta send in your compressor housing for them to do it on it. So I have a spare one I'm gonna send in. This is my Unit 2 Fab baffled oil pan. So they just use the OEM oil pan and they add their baffling to it. It's got the trap doors and a ported and polished oil filter housing. We added a bung for oil temp sensor. Got my little magnetic oil drain plug to catch any metal, and that's it so far. I'm waiting on a couple more pieces. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my exhaust because I have an AWE front pipe and exhaust set up and it's restrictive. But it doesn't mate to any front pipe, so I gotta modify my exhaust and get I'll probably do a RV6 front pipe. But yeah, we gotta do that and a couple other little things before I can drop the car off. So, but it's slowly but surely coming along. This is your update, guys.